Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Charlotte Tilbury is one of the most sought-after celebrity makeup artists in the world. She has created a skincare and makeup line that works for everyone. But to buy all of her products can get very expensive. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to multitask and save money. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. I like to start my makeup with a primer. Charlotte's Wonderglow works great under any foundation to blur imperfections and add radiance to your look. You can also mix it with your foundation to turn any foundation into a radiant finish. You can also use it on the high points of your cheekbones, down the center of the nose, the cupid's bow, or anywhere you want extra glow. Blush is the next essential item to give color and a natural flush. You can use Charlotte's Cheek to Chic blush as a blush by putting it on the cheekbones and swirling it back towards the hairline. You can also use the center of the blush as a base color for shadow. Apply it from lash to brow. But that's not it. You can also use it as eyeshadow. Swirl the blush into the crease for a natural shape and definition. You can also wrap it under your eyes for framing. Highlighter is next. Charlotte's Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand gives a beautiful glow to the skin. Just put it on the tops of the cheekbones, also down the center of the nose, the cupid's bow, and anywhere you want more glow. But you can also use the highlighter as an eye primer, especially on the lid. Simply apply with fingers and smooth for eye brightening. I also like to apply it right under the brow for more highlighting. Add mascara or lashes at this point to complete the eye look. And to finish any makeup look, lips are essential. I use Charlotte's Lip Pencil in Pillow Talk. This liner is universal and looks good with any lip color. Simply outline the lips and then fill them in with the pencil. You could stop here or complete the look with a lip color. Just add Pillow Talk lipstick on top and you'll get even more intensity. Pillow Talk lipstick is also gorgeous as a cream blush. 2 uses with just 1 product. And here's my final look, multitasking with Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk collection. All I used was 5 Charlotte products: primer, blush, highlighter, lip liner, and lipstick. And that's it. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.